Hi, good evening to all. I am Sivagami Priya, Assistant Professor, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to talk about cloud deployment model in grid and cloud computing. So the first one is grid and cloud computing. Cloud deployment model is nothing but it is defined the framework how the cloud services are working, how they will be delivered and accessed and managed, specifying infrastructure, location, ownership, security, and who control the resources. That is called cloud deployment model. In this cloud deployment model have so many four types of cloud deployment models are there. The first one is private deployment model, public deployment model, community deployment model, and hybrid deployment model. Now we can see one by one. The first one is types of cloud deployment model, that is called a public cloud deployment. Public cloud means it is the resources, server, storage, applications management, memory management. These are called the public cloud. Public means they are owned by a third party provider like a AWS, Azure, and shared among the many users over the internet, offering the high scalability and cost effectiveness. So these example overall the only one cloud service providers are there. Many user are using data collecting from the particular public cloud. This is an example for the public cloud deployment model. These are here three types of users are here. They are taking the data from the particular only one cloud service provider. These are called example for cloud public cloud deployment model. The next one is a private cloud deployment model. The private cloud deployment model is uh, it is exact opposite of the cloud deployment model. So it is a one on many environment for a single user customer. It is private means it is the uh, individual cloud service provider for individual user. So that is called private cloud deployment model. There is a no need to share your hardware or software to anyone else. So each and everyone here they will give the example for a private cloud deployment model. Here two uses private means it is the uh, individual cloud service provider for individual user. So that is called private cloud deployment model. There is a no need to share your hardware or software to anyone else. So each and everyone here they will give the example for a private cloud deployment model. Here two uses are here. So two cloud services providers. So the one enterprise A from getting the data from one cloud service provider. The another enterprise option is getting the data from another cloud service provider. Each and every service provider have each and every server. So that is called a private cloud deployment model. The third one is hybrid cloud deployment model. Hybrid cloud deployment model, it is nothing but it is the computing giving the may host the application safe environment while taking the advantages of the public cloud's cost savings. Organizations can move the data and applications between cloud using the combinations of two or more cloud deployment methods depending on their needs. So that is called this example for private cloud and public cloud. So cloud deploy service provider, it is combined private and public cloud, that is called hybrid cloud. Next one is types of cloud deployment model. Types of cloud deployment model. It is the last one is multi-cloud. Multi-cloud, it is nothing but using services from more than one public service provider. Example AWS, Azure. That is a multi-cloud because there are many cloud providers are there. So that is called a cloud multi-cloud deployment model. So the last one is community cloud deployment model. It will allow the system and services be accessible by the group of organization. It is a distributed system that is created by the integrating the services or different clouds to address the specific needs of a community or industry or business. So the infrastructure of the community could be shared between the organization and the user. So it is generally finally managed by the third party or by the combination of one or more organization in the community. Thank you all.